Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some of the best 1000 QR codes, not 1000 QR codes, but actually you can get thousands of free stuffs and through the Brawl Stars QR codes. And if you love playing, for example, a Rusty Cash in Brawl Stars, how you can get them. So let's get started. So here you have to just, and by the way, this is official, right? These QR codes are given by the Brawl Stars, so you can scan this up. So you can pause this video and scan this up. You can get this KRUSTY Cash now. And the next thing is that here, let's say this one will give you some of the legendary around thousands of coins and XPWs and everything, right? And another QR code which I have right now, which can also give you a lot of QR code, a lot of free gifts here, for example powers and doublers and coins and so many gift characters and everything. So you can just scan this up and you will get it, and different accounts can claim different stuff from these QR codes. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.